a quote from a book. The book name of the book is The Ministry of Healing, written by one of our founding members of the Seventh Day Adventist Church. Her name is Ellen G. White. She said this quote: "Our Lord Jesus Christ came to this world as an unweary servant of man's necessity. He took our infirmities and bare our sicknesses that he might minister to every need of humanity." And in there, she's pulling from Matthew 8:17. Every need of humanity. The burden of disease and wretchedness and sin he came to remove. It was his mission to bring men to complete restoration. And we can add there men and women. He came to give them health and peace and perfection of character, end quote. And this is in chapter 1 of Ministry of Healing, paragraph 1. If you are a follower of Christ, if you plan to become a follower of Christ, if you're wondering what a follower of Christ should do, this is what we're called to do. We are called to minister. We are called to help. We are called to restore. And if there's no day that we don't do that on, the Sabbath should be a day in which we are working to restore the lives of individuals.